Yeah. Zero survival instincts whatsoever. Alright guys, welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We got everything kind of blown apart. Why do we have everything blown apart?
What's that hole?
I don't know what that hole is, honestly. I think it could go away.
Pain in the ass. We're getting this thing ready for the paint booth, man. Next Saturday.
Next Saturday. You know what that means.
Means I better hurry up.
But yep. We got, bless us. We got this thing.
Nick told me he'd let me go if I didn't get this thing painted.
Well, we're gonna lose the shop if we don't get it painted.
We're gonna lose the 2-car garage.
We're gonna lose the 2-car garage in there.
So let's show them what we were doing.
Yes, let's show them.
Nick did these door handles the other day. I think he showed you that.
Yep.
Had an extra set of holes here, but we don't like that.
Yeah.
So we glassed them in. I'll put a little smudge of Bondo there.
Smudge of Bondo and then be
We
gone.
gotta do that on the other door. Sorry about the airplane.
It's pulling a glider somewhere.
Fuck out of here.
Hey, I'm filming the videos. I don't know where it is. I can't see it on my thing. All right, so what?
Now, when they mounted this front end, I thought that this tree in here was just riveted in. It turns out it's not.
Right. It's actually got like putty on it.
Yeah, it's got like a panel bond on the sides. I wanted to just kind of reinforce it in 3 spots.
Okay.
So I fiberglassed it. Nick, when he's done fiddle farting around with the back, is gonna sand all the bottom of this.
Yep. When I'm done fiddle farting.
It is indeed a Camus body if you look.
Yep. Tim McKim's.
The video will be upside down.
It is upside down, but it's okay. We don't mind.
And really, we're just getting the rear body painted.
Yep.
We're set up. I'm gonna paint this car like a gray silver, and I figured I'll do the back in a satin black, and then we'll paint in the taillight rings. Order stickers for that, and we'll paint the bumpers silver once the car's painted. Once the car's home, we'll do that. But we're not too far away from the booth.
Nope. And looks like you're gonna be doing something.
Some primer on it.
Putting some primer. Nice. It's all taped up.
Yep.
It's all taped up. Got Sally out there.
Kidding.
She's just sunbathing. So we got it all taped up, or you do. I'm doing some virtual speed performance things. Say, look at that. Pretty awesome, guys. Lay down some primer. I heard you got a paint kit. I heard you're gonna get into the painting business.
I'm thinking about it.
You're thinking about it? Them paint guys make pretty good money.
I've heard that.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's true.
I don't know. Maybe you should try it.
I ain't seen no evidence of it.
You ain't seen no evidence. Well, you got your paint kit on the clearance rack.
I'm gonna just do a little bit of painting.
You're just gonna do a little bit of painting, not a whole lot, just a little bit.
Maybe as Eric Henson said, I should just stick to shutters, even though I don't do shutters. Of the primering is done. Like I said earlier, we were just gonna do some he was just gonna do some spot priming on a few of the spots, because pretty much the body is actually, you know, it's a pretty nice body, but it's just some spot primering, as he calls it.
I was just saying that you just did some spot priming.
Yeah, this body is in pretty decent shape. McCamus has a pretty nice body.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, if it was going to go in World of Wheels and all that, yeah, I would block the whole car and prime it and reblock it and prime it. But these cars, as long as they're slick and shiny and smooth, as the neighbor says.
Yep. Well, it certainly looks shiny, I think.
Hopefully it will be.
You wet sanding?
I'm trying to knock some of the overspray off and knock everything down one last time.
One last time before it heads to the booth. We'll let it sit out tomorrow. Let all the water dry up out of the fiberglass. We got the Camaro in the paint shop. We're about 90% masked up. Take you around the car a little bit. All masked up over here. Good to go. We're gonna put the front end on it and paint the front end that way. And then over here we have the doors and the rockers. Let me show you guys. There's one of the rockers, the two doors. Ready to go. And the other rocker, every sealer is laid down. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is. Looks absolutely amazing. Background paint back home. This color is killer out in the sunlight. So I have one of the rockers on. I don't have the passenger side on yet. I just put this one on just for show. The interior with this color is insane, especially with the carbon fiber. Whoo-wee. I cannot wait to put the chutes on, the wheelie bars, the Lexan in it. This thing's gonna, you think it's pretty now. Wait till you see it with all that on it. With the headlight, or the tail light stickers and all the badges on it. Like I said, this, on this side, I don't have the rocker on yet. Man, oh man. And if you remember right, I have the black Zeuses for all right here. I kind of just have these in here just for mock-up. We are going to paint this bumper part right here black. And this area right here black as well. I have the grill sticker coming for right here, the SS grill sticker. So the cars, the detail work is not even done yet, and it looks like this. Like I said, the grill or the bumper right here is going to be black. That's why, like, we're just going to paint the bumper black, which is why the stripes like that. Because I mean, we were going to paint it anyway. And so this area right here will be black, and then the grill. The smooth hood look looks insane. This thing is this thing would make a killer looking turbo car. And I ordered all the stickers for a Camaro, my Chevrolet sticker right here, the SS sticker somewhere either right here or over here. I also ordered a Camaro stickers for right here, the Cal induction, absolutely crazy. It looks like I said, look at this, look at the cage and carbon fiber with, like, look at that. Oh my gosh, insano. Damn. So this car is absolutely going to be astonishing. It looks very elegant with all the color choices, with the cage color, the carbon fiber, and the car overall color. I'm excited. To be able to see this thing here in a few days with the chutes on it, the wheelie bars, all the decal stickers on it, you know, the tail light stickers, the grill stickers, all the marker lights and all that. It's going to be absolutely amazing, especially with the Lexan in it. This car is going to be very elegant, I would say. You know, it looks awesome. But one huge shout out I want to give to is to my dad, because he goes above and beyond. And, you know, I absolutely love and enjoy to be able to do this stuff with him. He's my best friend. He's my dad. He's who I bounce things off of, and, you know, I'm so thankful for that, because we get to do this stuff together, you know, go racing, work on race cars, and I wouldn't want it any other way. I just want to tell you, Dad, is I love you, and I thank you so much, and I'm so thankful that I have you as a dad. That'll do it for this video. Check out virtualspeedperformance.com. We got new and used performance parts. If it makes horsepower, we got you covered. I thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe.